Here I have ASUS ROG gaming phone, and let me show you how to set up this device. So at the very beginning you have to select the language that you would like to have. Just tap on the current one and select the one that you would like to have. As you can see, ASUS is truly well prepared and they offer almost every language, I guess. So in my case it will be English, Australia, then tap on next. Here you have an attention, do not insert a Type-C cable into the lower colored part of the side mount ports. Tap on next if you are aware of that fact. Then select the internet connection. In my case it will be only Wi-Fi connection, then tap on next, and here you can select the one that you would like to connect with. So in my case it's the first one, HardReset.Info. Once it's connected, just tap on next. Here you have to come along with all the documents, with your privacy rights. Firstly, you have to confirm that you are above the age of 16 years old, and then select that you are aware of the product information and location information. Tap next once you read all the stuff, and here you can set up your device as a new one, or you can copy your data from your previous device. But in my case, it's a new one, so set up as a new. Now your device is checking for updates, it's checking all the information. So just be patient. And now you have to sync in with your Google account. If you don't have one, just create a new one, but I will log in with my Gmail. HardReset.Info1 at gmail.com. Once it's typed, tap on next. Here you have to enter the password, so if you will tap on this eye icon, you will be able to see what you are typing. So just let me enter mine over here. And once it's entered, just tap on next. Here you have to come along with Google Term of Service and Privacy Policy. Just tap on this icon, select each document and read it. Then close. You can do the same with Privacy Policy. They are long one, but truly worth reading, so come along and then tap on I agree once read. Finally, you can decide if you want to have a backup or if you want to share your location with Google. I will switch it off for now. And actually you can set it up as you wish. You can send usage and diagnostic data to Google. Accept. And just a few seconds, and within a short while you will be able to start using your device. Now you can protect your phone, but not now. You can, add a fingerprint, PIN code, password, pattern, or face recognition. Skip anyway. Set up air triggers. Next, I will skip it for now. You can register your ASUS product. And as you can see, setup is completed. Tap on done finally, wait a short while, and now you can start using your device. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.